Hi, this is Kyle, and that is Jake. We are going to do a video with my modified Nerf Maverick and my modified double Buzzbee double barrel thing, whatever it's called. And yeah, whatever, double barrel shotgun. Alright, let me just get this set down. Zoom, stupid camera. What the? Can't zoom. Zoom.
I can zoom. You don't have to say just zoom.
Alright, so anyway, I'm supposed to you guys right there. No. Damn. There we go. Oh, damn, stupid camera.
Yeah, what the heck is
That's good. Alright. Okay. Jake, which one do you want to get shot with first?
Yeah, really.
Which one do you want to get shot with first?
The Maverick.
Maverick, are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, well, I'm shooting you with the double barrel.
The heck? Oh, the double barrel?
Alright, ready?
Yeah, whatever.
Alright. Now it's your turn with the Maverick.
Fine.
Damn. Alright. Now let's go take a look at the red marks.
Oh my god. That's just gonna hurt.
Alright. You can see, I don't want to get my shadow in the way. There's a few red marks. Good job.
It's kinda hurt.
Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a review on the PlayStation 3, which, where'd it go? Ah, the beautiful PlayStation 3.
The heck, man?
Stupid PlayStation.
No, why don't we make a dodge and jump at it? See what happens.
That'd be funny. Alright, bye.